So you think you want to start doing video, but you're not quite sure where to start. You think, oh, I might be behind the eight ball. I don't know how I would stand out in my industry. Well, if that's you, you're in the right place. Who am I? I'm Weezy. I'm a video producer and I own my own video productions company. And I teach people how to do video with simply just with the use of their cell phone. You don't have to break the bank in order to start video, and you don't have to be scared about what you're going to say because I'm going to guarantee you, you're going to suck the first video you do. You're not going to know what to say. You're not going to know where to look. I'm going to tell you something. It's really hard to stay engaged with this little dot called the record button. Am I perfect at it? No. Actually, I'm a behind the scenes person. I'm a producer. So I'm usually behind the camera and I'm telling other people what to do and how to do it. But in today's age, many of us have found that we need to come in front of the video camera. And if that's you, then let me help you kind of overcome those nerves that you might have and teach you just a few things of how to set up in order to record a better video. And like I said, starting with just your cell phone. You don't have to go out and buy a lot of crazy expensive equipment because the cell phone is very high quality these days. Some of them shoot 4K and 8K. Now, do you really need that for your videos? Oh, heck no. That's more for like if you're going to record television shows or movies. But for most of us, our videos are going to be simple and seen on the web, mostly on people's mobile phones. Most people ingest video on their mobile phones. So 1080 and 720 are just perfect. I'm here for the people who are a little hesitant to start into things. They need just a little bit more time. They need to take things just a little more slowly. Well, I'm that person too. I've known for years that I needed to come in front of the camera, but I didn't start doing it for like 4 more years. I've been on the camera for 4 years, but I really didn't start until really last year, becoming more consistent being in front of the camera. I know what it's like having that fear of coming in front of the camera because behind the scenes, I shine. I know what I'm doing. But now I'm coming in front of the camera, and the more it's like anything else, it's like exercising. The more you flex that muscle, the more you train that muscle, the better you get. And that's what I'm here. I'm here to be your coach to help train you to do better. But but the fear, let's address the fear. That's what's holding you back. It's the fear of showing up. It's the fear of not knowing what to do. Well, guess what? Nobody knows what to do without some training, some research, and sometimes we need a little help and guidance from somebody else who's gone out ahead of us. And if you go and you start working with somebody who's gone out ahead of you, guess what? There's not going to be all those trials and errors that we're going to fall into, those things that are holding you back because you're afraid that that's what's going to happen. I've been there. I've made those mistakes. Even though I went to school to learn how to do video, do you need to do that? No. This is kind of your school right here. I'm going to teach you, you know, I'm going to walk you through of picking out your locations, sounds, how to shoot good B-roll, how to edit simply with just using your phone if you want or your computer. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to hold your hand, explain it in a way that it's understandable. I watch a lot of videos and sometimes they're talking so fast I can't catch a thing that they're saying and I may have to watch it 3 and 4 times. I go slow. I want to be understandable. I want to provide you value so that you feel more comfortable in starting doing your own videos. Now, is this for business? Do you have to be a YouTube star? No. This can be if you just want to shoot better videos of capturing your grandkids or your kids or a special event. All of this can be used by simply starting using your cell phone. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the little bell icon so that you're notified each time I post a new video, which I'm going to tell you is going to be every Wednesday. And let's go on this video journey together. So remember, go ahead and subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and join me each Wednesday for a new video here on Weezy.